This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Denise Esposito. Great opportunity, no rear neighbors, 1,505 square foot home with a 12 by 17 screened lanai. Room for a pool and great area for barbecues, great 16 by 14 shed split floor plan, metal roof with membrane 2019, appliances 3 years old, water heater 2021. Large kitchen with breakfast bar open to family room, French doors from family room leading to lanai. A very unique feature, the master ensuite bathroom is accessible from the garage as well as the bedroom. Another entrance from the garage into the foyer off the kitchen makes it easy to get those groceries from the car. The interior has been recently painted. Great location close to all shopping, banks, restaurants. 40 minutes to Tampa Airport. 20 minutes from the beach. Come view this home and make it your own. For more information.